Hello there and welcome to another Coolpo tutorial. Today we're going to walk you through on how you can set up your Ignite headset to start using it for your meetings. The first way that you can set up your headset is using the dongle that you receive in the package that will be delivered to you. Now, in order to pair your headset to your device using the dongle, the first thing that we're going to make sure about is to plug in the dongle into our device. In my case, I don't have a USB-A port. So I can just use any adapter USB-A to USB-C to plug in the dongle into my device. Once I plug in the dongle into my device, just like this, I should start seeing a red light blinking on the dongle. Now the red light blinking, that means that the dongle has not been connected to my headset yet. And that's because I didn't turn on the headset. So just to turn on the headset, all I have to do is to take the headset and you will find on the other side here the power button. The power button is the middle one. All I have to do is just to short click it until I hear power on. Now, once I hear power on, after a few seconds, it should automatically connect to the dongle. Once it connects to the dongle successfully, I should see on my dongle that the red light is steady. Once the red light stops blinking, that means that the headset has been paired to the dongle successfully. Now what if the red light doesn't stop blinking even after turning on the headset and the headset does not connect automatically? In this case, all I have to do is to short press for another few seconds until I hear Bluetooth pairing. Once I hear Bluetooth pairing, the headset should automatically then connect to the dongle successfully. Now that I've successfully paired my Ignite headset to my device, all I have to make sure about is to choose it as the output and input in my audio settings for the meeting. As I can see here on this Zoom meeting, I can select the audio input by directly going to the audio settings here inside the meeting. And once I click here, I just need to make sure that I choose Coolpo Ignite as my microphone and as my speaker. Now, there is a second option, which is you can go to the Zoom settings or even Microsoft settings, then moving on to the audio settings and choosing Coolpo Ignite as your speaker and also choosing it as your microphone. And just like that, now you're set and ready to use your Coolpo Ignite in your meeting.